everyone. Let's get back to some LeetCode. This time I'm just going to do one of the regular LeetCode problems that I've been asked. So this one's going to be the kth largest element in an array. So basically, what this problem is asking you is you're given, in this case, in the case of the C++ question, you're given a vector and you're given a number, which will be k, and you have to find the kth largest number in that vector. So for in example 1, we see that 6 is the largest element, but we're looking for the second largest element. So we're going to return 5. And in this case, we're looking for the fourth largest element. So it goes through 6, goes through 5 and 5. And finally, we have 4 as the answer because it's the fourth largest element. And let's see, this question has been asked a lot by Facebook and Amazon as well, and a few other companies. Anyway, let's get to this problem. Now, the way we're going to do this is we're going to use a priority queue, and what this does, it makes it very easy. So let's declare a priority queue. Oh my god, sorry. And let's make it type int, call it pq, and let's set it from the beginning of the array to the end of the array, or the vector in this case. So what this statement does is it just instantly sorts the vector in order of, smallest to greatest. So what we're going to do then is have a for loop that goes from I to k minus 1 because we need the kth largest element. And we just have one line. We're just going to pop from the priority queue until we find that element, and we just return the top of the priority queue, and that's it. Should work. Accepted. And yep. So there we have it. Pretty decent runtime there, and very easy solution if you think about it. So let's go through this again. Maybe we can go through it with an example. We have our priority queue. It sorts it from smallest to greatest. And then we have a loop which goes through from 0 to k minus 1. So in this case, let's say example 2. Our priority queue looks at nums, sorts it, and then we go from 0 to k minus 1. So first it'll pop 6, then we go to I equals to 1, then it pops 5, then it pops 5 again, and then the loop stops, and then we return the top of the priority queue, which would be 4. And yep, that's basically how you do this problem. It's a pretty easy problem, I'd say, thankfully. And LeetCode has in fact given it a medium rating, which is interesting. But yeah, that's basically how you do this.